Question number first, cos को power 6 theta minus sin को power 6 theta equals to 1 upon को something something. Let's start from the LHS. There is cos को power 6 theta minus sin को power 6 theta. Try to express both the term into the form of perfect cube or perfect square. I am going to express both the term into perfect cube. Cos square theta को whole cube minus sin square theta को whole cube. Now these are in the form of a cube minus b cube. Then factor of a cube minus b cube are a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Write down cos square theta a minus b sin square theta a minus b. A square means cos square theta को whole square, a square plus ab cos square theta times sin square theta plus b square means sin square theta को whole square. Then cos square theta minus sin square theta is just cos 2 theta times cos square theta. Write down cos square theta co square plus sin square theta co whole square. Arrange this term and write down this term as it is, cos square theta sin square theta. Yes. There is cos 2 theta. Then these are in the form of a square plus b square, a plus b को whole square minus 2ab means cos square theta plus sin square theta को whole square minus 2ab cos square theta sin square theta 2ab. Then write down this term as it is, cos square theta sin square theta. Okay, this is equals to cos 2 theta. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 को square is just 1 minus 2 cos square theta sin square theta plus cos square theta sin square theta is minus sin square theta cos square theta. Then this is equals to cos 2 theta 1 minus, to express this term into formula we have to multiply this term with 4 and divide by 4. There is 1 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Yes. Then cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 1 upon 4. Then this can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta को whole square. Cos 2 theta 1 minus 1 upon 4. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta को whole square. This is equals to cos 2 theta 1 minus 1 upon 4 sin square 2 theta. Then cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 1 upon 4 sin square 2 theta equals to 1 minus cos square 2 theta. Then cos 2 theta 1 plus minus minus 1 upon 4 minus minus plus 1 upon 4 cos square 2 theta. Then cos 2 theta. Then by taking LCM between these two terms we can write down here 4 minus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 cos square 2 theta. Then cos 2 theta 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 cos square 2 theta. This is equals to 1 upon 4 common from all these two terms and multiply this term with the this two term. That means 3 cos 2 theta plus cos cube 2 theta equals to 1 upon 4 cos cube 2 theta plus 3 cos 2 theta equals to RHS. Proved. Next one question, cos को power 6 theta plus sin को power 6 theta equals to something something. Let's start from the LHS. There is cos को power 6 theta plus sin को power 6 theta. Again try to express both the term into perfect cube or perfect square. I am going to express this two term into perfect cube. There is cos square theta को whole cube plus sin square theta को whole cube. Then try to find out the factor of a cube plus b cube, which is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b means cos square theta plus sin square theta. A plus b, a square means cos square theta को whole square minus ab means cos square theta times sin square theta plus b square means sin square theta को whole square. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta is just 1. Then there is cos square theta को whole square plus sin square theta को whole square. Arrange these two terms at first. Then write down this term as it is, square theta sin square. Then 1 times this term is as it is, and these two terms are in the form of a square plus b square. Then a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Now write down a plus b whole square means cos square theta plus sin square theta whole square minus 2ab, 2 sin square theta cos square theta, 2ab minus cos square theta sin square theta. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta is just 1. 1 को square is 1. Then minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta minus sin square theta cos square theta is minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, 1 minus 3. Then to express this two term into formula, we have to divide with 4 and multiply with 4 like this. Sin square theta cos square theta 1 minus 3 upon 4. Then this can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta ko whole square. Okay, there is cos 4 theta at the RHS, means we have to express this sin square 2 theta into the form of cos 4 theta. We know the relation sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. If we replace theta by 2 theta, then we will get theta by 2 theta 1 minus cos 4 theta upon 2. If we replace theta by 2 theta, then we get the relation like this. Then replace the value of sin square theta equals to 1 minus 3 upon 4, 1 minus cos 4 theta upon 2. This is equals to 1 minus 3 upon 4 to the 8, 1 minus cos 4 theta. Then this is equals to 1 minus 3 upon 8 times 1 is 3 upon 8 minus minus plus 3 upon 8 cos 4 theta. This is equals to, by taking LCM from this two term, we can get simplify from 8 minus 3 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8 cos 4 theta. Okay, this is equals to 5 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8 cos 4 theta. Then 1 by 8 is common from both the term. 1 by 8 is common, means 5 plus 3 cos 4 theta. This is our RHS. The next one question, 1 upon sin 2a plus cos 4a upon sin 4a. This is equals to 1 upon sin 2a. We can write down this cos 4a is equals to 2 cos square 2a minus 1 divided by sin 4a. Then 1 upon sin 2a plus, then separate the denominator, 2 cos square 2a upon sin 4a minus 1 upon sin 4a. One upon sin 2a plus 2 cos square 2a upon 2 sin 2a cos 2a. Sin 2a equals to 2 cos a. Sin a minus 1 upon sin 4a is cosec 4a. Then 1 upon sin 2a as it is plus 2 cancel out, cos 2a cos 2a cancel out, means cos 2a upon sin 2a minus cosec 4a. Then LCM of these two fractions is sin 2a 1 plus cos 2a minus cosec 4a. Okay, there is cot a at the RHS, means we have to express this cos 2a in terms of cos a. There is 1 plus 2 cos square a minus 1 upon sin 2a minus cosec 4a. Then this 1 cancel out, and 2 cos square a divided by sin 2a equals to 2 sin a cos a minus cosec 4a. This is equals to 2 cancel out, cos a cancel out, cos a upon sin a minus cosec 4a equals to cot a minus cosec 4a, which is equals to RHS. Proved. Okay, there is 2 10a equals to 3 10b, and prove that 10a plus b equals to something something. 2 10a equals to 3 10b. 10a equals to 3 upon 2 10b. Then from LHS 10a plus b, then 10a plus b is 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. Then replace the value of 10a. 10a is 3 upon 2 10b plus 10b upon 1 minus 3 upon 2 10b times 10b. Then solve by taking here the numerator and denominator. There is 2 LCM at the numerator, 3 10b plus 2 10b divided by 2 is LCM, 2 minus 3 10 square b, 3 minus 2 minus 3 10 square b. Then 2 cancel out, we can write down 3 10b plus 2 10b is 5 10b upon 2 minus 3 10 square b. This is equals to 5 sin b upon cos b divided by 2 minus 3 sin square b upon cos square b. Okay, we can write down here 5 sin b cos b divided by cos square b. Cos cancel out. This is same as previous step. We can get the simplified form by taking LCM is 2 cos square b minus 3 sin square b upon cos square b. Then this cos square b cancel out. 5 sin b times cos b, 2 cos square b, 3 sin square b is equals to 1 minus cos square b. To express this into formula, we have to multiply this term by 2 and divide by 2. There is 5 upon 2, 2 sin b cos b divided by 2 cos square b minus 3 plus 3 cos square b. This is okay. There is 5 upon 2. 2 sin b cos b is sin 2b upon 2 cos square b. 3 cos square b is 5 cos square b minus 3. Then by reciprocal, we can write down 5 sin 2b upon 5 to the 10 cos square b minus 6. There is 5 sin 2b divided by 10 cos square b in terms of cos 2b is cos 2b plus 1 divided by 2 minus 6. This is equals to 5 sin 2b divided by 2 5s are 10. Then 5 cos 2b plus 5 minus 6. 5 cos 2b minus 1. This is equals to RHS proved. 5 sin co power 4a equals to something something. From LHS, sin co power 4a can be written as sin square a, then sin square a. Then sin square a in terms of cos a, cos 2a is 1 minus cos 2a upon 2. 1 minus cos 2a upon 2. Then this is equals to 1 upon 4, sorry 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 can be written as 1 upon 4, then 1 minus cos 2a को whole square, 1 upon 4. Expand by using formula a minus b को whole square. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square cos square 2a. Okay, this is equals to 1 upon 4, 1 minus 2 cos 2a. Then express this formula into the form of cos 2a. Cos square a equals to cos 2a plus 1 divided by 2. Then replace a by 2a. Then this is equals to cos square 2a cos 4a plus 1 divided by 2. Then write down there cos 4a plus 1 upon 2. Okay, solve by taking LCM. 1 by 4. LCM is 2. 2 minus 4 cos 2a plus cos 4a plus 1. Then 1 by 4. 2 plus 1 3. 3 minus 4 cos 2a plus cos 4a divided by 2. This is equals to 1 by 8. 3 minus 4 cos 2a plus cos 4a. RHS.